Find the divisor when dividend is 4385 and the quotient is 24. Here 274 is there in your textbook. Just to make it 24. Okay. This is 24. Okay. And the remainder is 1. And the remainder is 1. So here, according to our formula, so what we have to find here? Divisor. Divisor is equal to. So how to find? So divisor is equal to dividend. Dividend minus quotient by dividend minus quotient by remainder. Dividend minus remainder. Dividend minus here remainder by quotient. Dividend minus remainder. We have to take dividend minus remainder divided by quotient. What is the dividend here? 4385 minus remainder. What is the remainder here? 1 divided by 24. 4385 minus 1. 85 minus 1 is 84. That is 4384. 4384 divided by 24. It means 4384 divided by 24. It means 24 divides 4384. 24 ones are, you have to take 24 ones are 24. Then borrow here. So here it will decrease by 1. Here it will increase by 10. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then 3 minus 3 is 19. And next we have to take 8. So 198. In 24 table we have to check. 24 8s are 8 4s are 32. 3. 8 2 16, 17, 18, 19. 192. 24 8s are 192. Then minus. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 0. No need to take. Now 4. 24 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 24 2s are 24 2s are 48. 48. Okay. 48 here. We have to take borrow from here. It will get 14. Here we will get 5. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 6. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Then what is our divisor? Our divisor is 182. Therefore, divisor is equal to 182. This is our divisor. Okay. According to our formula, divisor is equal to dividend minus remainder divided by quotient. Dividend, what is the dividend? 4385 minus remainder is 1. 1 is the remainder. From 4385, if we take minus 1, so we will get a reducer. So that is 84. 4384 divided by 24. Now you divide. Then you get your answer 182. So whatever here quotient is there, that is our divisor. That is our divisor. Okay. Now what problems? Some students organized a charity show to collect money for the blind school. The total collection of money was rupees 21,250. The cost of one ticket for the show was 25 rupees. How many tickets were sold? So total collection, this much collection. One ticket price is given 25. Then how many tickets they sold? So that they get 21,250. So they got this much amount. First we have to divide the total amount with per ticket price. So now here steps you have to write. One ticket cost 25. Total money collected. Total money collected How much amount they collected? 21,250. This much amount they collected. Then number of tickets they sold. Number of tickets they sold is equal to, so total amount divides with 25. Total amount divides with 25. It means 25 divides total amount, that is 21,250. First, 21 is less, we have to take 212. 25 8s are 200. 25 8s are 200. Then minus 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 0 1. Then after that 5. 25 5s are 125. Then 0. So this 0 is left. This is not our remainder. This 0 is left. So that is why that 0 we have to keep here. If 0 is left here, so we keep that 0 here, not here. So the remainder is not a 0 here. So one number is left, 1 0 is left, that we keep here in where? In quotient. Then how many tickets they sold? 850. So number of tickets they sold 850. Therefore, number of tickets they sold is equal to 850. 850 tickets they sold. Okay. The product of two numbers is 26,520. One of a number is given, that is 40. So in your textbook 408 is given, you make it 40. So 40 here. Find the other number. So here one of a number is given. So this similar question we did in a textbook. So again here it is given. At first, product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So that is 26,520. So one of a number is equal to 40. Another number means we have to divide 26,520 divided by 40. It means 40 divides 26,520. Then 40 here 26. This is less, we have to take three numbers. 265 with 40. 40 into 8s are 40 into 7 4s are 28. 6 are 600, 6 4s are 24. Then 46 are 240. Then minus 5 and 2. Now we take 2. Again it is near to 6. 46 are 240. Again minus 2, 1. Then here 0. 43 are 300, 3 4 are 12. 120. 43 are. That is another number is 663. Therefore, another number. This is our another number. Now, the next question: how many minutes are there in 3,600 seconds? First, we know how many seconds are there in 1 minute. So, in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Remember, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. First, 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then total number of minutes in 3,600 seconds is equal to 3,600 divided by 60. It means 60 divides 3,600. 60 into 6. 6 0 0, 6 6 36. 66 360. Here answer is 0. Here 1 is 1, 0 is left, that 0 we have to keep here. So whatever 0 is left, that 0 we have to keep here. So then 3600, 60 minutes have 60 minutes and 3600 seconds. This minute seconds have. In 60 minutes we have 3600 seconds. In 60 minutes. How many seconds we have? 3600. Next. There are 4830 students at a school. In each classroom 35 students are there. There are how many classrooms are there? First we have to write how many students are in a school, then number of students in each section. So we have to divide total students with number of students in each class. Then you will get number of sections. Now here total students. Total students in a school 4830. Number of students in each class. Number of students in each class. How many students are there in each class? 35. Then number of sections. Number of sections. Then total students with number of students in each class, means each section. That is 35 divides 4830. First 35 ones are 35. Then 3 1. Now we take 3. 35 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 13 14. It is more. 35 3s are 3 5s are 15. 3s are 9 1 10. 35 3s are 105. Now we take borrow from here. Here we get to 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 8. 2 minus 0 2. Now you take this 0. 280. 35 into 3. 8s are. Once you check in 8. 8 5s are 44. 8 3s are 24. 27. 28. 8s are 280. Same minus same. Same minus same 0. Then how many sections are there in that school? So total sections in the school 138. Total sections in that school is equal to 138. These many sections were there in a school. Okay. In this way we have to do our word problems. More word problems there for your practice purpose, and that is your home assignment. Okay. Now students, brain booster part. So brain booster. So again recaptured our workbook as well as our textbook sums. So then what is there in brain booster? First question it is given. So 1, that is 13651. It means 13,651 divided into 11. If the given number is divided by 11, then what is the answer? What is the answer he is asking? So in the rough column, once you do that. So 13,651 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Then if you do minus, then 3 minus 1 is 2. And then after that 6. 11 twos are 22. 22. 11 twos are 22. Then minus 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. No need to take that 0. Again this 5. 11 fours are 44. Minus 1 is left. And again this one. 11 ones are 11. What is our answer? 1241. 1241. Second one is a right answer. In the rough column we have to do and we have to say, so which is our answer? Which is our answer? The given 13,651 is divided by 11. Then, so 1241 is our answer. Next. Dividend is exactly divisible if the dash is 0. If here dividend, if whatever the dividend is there, that dividend is exactly divided by any whatever the number. So then, so what should be the 0 here? This is the dividend. This dividend exactly divides, means the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then it means the number exactly divides. What 0? If the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, it means the number, the dividend exactly divides. It means the number means the dividend exactly divides with the number. The remainder obtained on dividing 450 by 8. So first we have to do division with 8 for this 450 in your rough column. And we check what is the remainder. What is the remainder? 8. 8 5s are 40. Then minus 5 minus 0 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. No need to take. Then after that you take this 0. 8 6 48. And take borrow from here from tens place. So 1 10 we are taking as a borrow. So then here it will left 4 tens and we get here 10. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 minus 8 is 2. What is the remainder? 2 is our remainder. So 2 is our remainder. So we have to do the division in rough column and we have to check what is the remainder. That we have to put tick here. Next. The remainder obtained on dividing 5687 by 100. So here dividing with 100. So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros we have. So the last 2 places are our remainder. Means in ones place, in tens place, whatever is there, that will be the remainder. That is 87. 87 is our remainder. Okay. When divided by 100, the last 2 places are our remainder. When divided by 1000, then last 3 places are our remainder. When divided by 10, last places are remainder. Okay. Here. Next question, find the quotient and remainder. We have to find the quotient and remainder. 65,989 divided by 10. Here this number is divided with 10. When the number is divided with 10, then the last one's place is a remainder. The remaining places are a quotient. 6,598. So when we divide with 100, so the last 2 places are remainders, 89. Then rest of the places are quotient, 659. When we divided with 1000, then last 3 places are our remainders, 989. Then rest of the places are quotient. In this way we have to do. Next, here 50,000 divided by 1. If any number is divided with 1, so what is the answer? The number itself only the answer, then remainder is 0. So 1 divides all numbers whatever. So except 0, okay. Then quotient, so whatever number is given, that is only our quotient. Why? Because 1 here divides. So 50,000 is our quotient and remainder is 0. In the next case, here we are dividing with 100. Last 2 places are our remainder. Last 2 places are 0, 0. So means 0, 0 we have to take 0, 0 2 times. No need to take 0 2 times. 1 time is enough. Either 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros. If number of zeros, if 10 zeros were there, no need to take 10 zeros. No need to write 10 zeros. Only 1 0 is enough. So number of 0, whatever number, the answer is 0 only. So that's why no need to take number of zeros. Only single 0 is enough if more zeros were there. Then after getting 2 zeros as a remainder, then what is left? 500. So this is our quotient. Then here it is divided by 1000, means last 3 zeros. These 3 are our remainder, it means 3 zeros means 1 0. Then after these 3 zeros, then what number is left here? 50. So this is our quotient. 50 is our quotient. In this way we have to do. If zeros were given, then how to find quotient and remainder. Without zero numbers are given, then we divide with 10, 100, 1000, then how to find quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. Okay. Now, third, divide and check your answer. So these questions we did from textbook, in workbook, and also in Brain Booster 3 questions are given. Here we are going to do 2 sums and more. 1 sum is left that you do as your assignment. Okay. Now here 23 divides 20,365. Then first we have to take 20. 20 is less than 23, so we have to take 203. So then in 203 where it divides? 203 nines are 203. So we have to take 203 in 23 table. 203. 3 digits we have to take. These 3 digits in 23 table, when we get 20, 203. 23 nines you check once. 23 nines. 9 threes are 27. 9 twos are 18, 20. 207. 207, it is more than here. 203 is there. So we have to check 23 eights are 23 eights are 8 threes are 24, 8 twos are 16, 17, 18, 184. 23 eights are 184. Now we take borrow from here. So here we will get 1, here we will get 10. Again from borrow here it will get 9, and here we will get 13. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Again we have to take this 6. 196. Again this 196 is near to 184. Again we have to take 23 eights are 196. 184, sorry. 184. Okay. Now minus. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 12. And after that we have to take 5. 125. Now we check 25 5s are 25 23, sorry, here 23. 23 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 11. 115. 115, it is near to 125. Now we take here 23 5s are 23 5s are 115. 100. Then 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 10 is our remainder. 10 is our remainder. Okay. Now this is the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the quotient, and this one is the remainder. Now, so we have to check. So formula is there. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend? 20,365. This is our dividend. And what is the divisor? 23 into 885 plus remainder. What is the remainder here? 10 is our remainder. 10 is our remainder. Now here, so we have to multiply 885 with 23. 885 with 23. So see here in rough column. 885 with 23. Then 885 string 23 means 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. According to our distributive property, 885 into 20 plus, again here plus is there, plus 885 into 885 into 20 is there, so then how to take 885 into 2 10 are 20 plus 885 3 so we have to check 885 into 3 3 5s are 15 1 3 6 are 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26 2655 2655. Now 885 plus 2 885 into 2 7 2 5 are 10 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17. This is 1770 into 10 plus 2655. 1770 into tens, it means 1770 tens, means one more zero, 2655. So this is our product. Now 885 threes are 885 threes are 2655. Next 885 20s are 885 20s are 17,700. Now add 5 7 plus 6 13 1 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10 20 20,355. Again here plus 10 is there, plus 10 we have to add, so is equal to, which gives 20,355 plus 10 65. Here what is our answer? 20,365. So both are same. 20,365 is equal to 20,365. In this way we have to find our solution. In this way we have to find our solution. Okay. So first we have to find the division. So then after that, according to our formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this question, so now, so we have to divide 57. 57 divides 85,032. First we have to take first two digits 85. 85 is greater than 57. No need to take the next place. So 85 we have to take. 57 ones are 57. Now borrow from here 7, here 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next we have to take 0. Now in 57 table when we get 280. First we check in 5 table when we get 28. 5 5s means 57 5s are, once you check 57 into 5. 5 7s are 35, 3. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28. 285. It is more. Here we have 280 only. It means we have to take 57 fours are. 57 fours are. 4 7s are 28. 2. 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22. Means 57 fours are. 57 fours are 228. Now minus. Take borrow from here. Here my unit is less. So then we will get here 10 and we get 7 here. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 52. Then after that one more place value, that is 3. 523. 57 nines are. You check once, 57 nines are. 9 7s are 63. 6. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6, 51. 513. So here we get 513. Means 57 nines are. 57 nines are 513. Minus 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 10 is our answer. Next we have to take 2. 102. 57 2s are 114. So no need to take 57 2s are. 57 1s are. 57 1s are 57. Then borrow from here. So here we will get 0. Here we will get 10. From here again here we will get 12. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 14, 5. We get 45. This is a remainder. This is a remainder. Now you check. How to check? This you have to check by your own. This is your assignment. What we did previous questions. So here also we did. We showed how to do, how to check. And again you have to write our formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then this is the dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. 57 into 1191 plus remainder 40. Okay. So that is your